Yep. Grayson on a tractor. Uh-oh. Watch the curb. Look out! Did you win the race? Did you win the race?
Yeah.
Big time? Got me. Okay, see you later.
Uncle Eric, you've got to come closer to catch this.
Uh-oh. What am I catching? Oh. Cork. Hello.
You have to come closer if you're going to catch it.
Alright, come here, Grayson. Is Nico drinking champagne again?
Are you seriously going to do that? Just spray all over him.
Oh, Eric, get ready. You have to put the camera. You get one one-handed here?
Sure.
Here it comes.
You're aiming...
I'm aiming good.
All over your kid.
Nice! Look at that.
Gold glove, baby!
You think it's my first rodeo?
Nico, catch!
He'll eat it.
Excellent
He loves sports.
movie.
You gonna chew on that, buddy? You gonna chew on it? Auntie Sierra, your breakfast is ready.
What are you doing? You rocking the tractor tonight, night?
Well, I'm sleeping in bed.
Alright, say bye-bye, Grayson.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Happy Easter.